Look at you going on your cow. Say, what's the cow say? What?
Good job, Penelope.
That's
You did good job. Yay, P.
Are you going to show Dada how you get off your cow?
Penelope, what's the cow say? What's the cow say, Penelope?
What's the owl say?
Yeah, that's what the owl says.
There you go. You got it. You got it. Good job. Look at you. Woo, ride the cow. Giddy up. Cups. Another cup. Do you want to get your cups? Well, you can get them. You can get off your horse and get your cow and get them.
Yeah, Penelope, get off your high horse.